What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the C Sharp.net series. And today we are talking about typecasting and parsing. So, let me create a variable, then I create a second variable, and let's assign it number 1. And I will use a console.writeline to print out number 2. So, you can see that 23 is printed. What happened here is implicit typecasting. So, basically, we assign number 2 the double variable, an integer type of variable, but it understood it automatically and converted this number automatically into a double. What if I have a double? Let's say we can give it a value of 100, and then I am creating an integer and assigning it number 3. So it's giving me an error, but it should be assigned because this is an integer value, right? But it cannot because this is an integer value, but it is assigned to a double data type, so it becomes a double value. And the compiler cannot implicitly convert this. We can ask the compiler that treat this number 3 as an integer. We can print the number 4. So 100 gets printed. And what if we have a value like this? This still works. If we try to run this application, this still gives us 100. So it converts the value of double into 100 and get rid of the floating point. Now talking about type parsing, we can comment this code and we can write and take input string, then take the second input, then let's give it an expression number 1 plus number 2. So this expression will be treated as one value. Now let us see what happens. We give it 1 and we give it 2. It gives us the answer of 12. Why? Because we are adding strings. We need to add integers. One way to do that is to convert this value into an integer. So after taking input, we can use int.Parse and convert these values what user has given into an integer. But it requires our variables to be integer as well. So now if I do this, let's say 45 plus 10, it gives us the correct answer, which is 55. And we also have double parse if we want to convert into double and decimal parse as well. Let's say if I want to convert string result of these two numbers and store it inside a string, I do not have a string.parse because the job of this parse variable is to convert a string into some other data type. So we don't have a string.parse, but we have convert.ToString. The job of convert methods are it converts one data type to another. So we have almost all the data types here. We have two int, two boolean and other data types. So we can do that. It will store the result in the form of string. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.